Very good morning to you, Rob. Looks like most of the weather has moved off for you along that southwestern coastline. Now, we still do have a band of cloud, however, over the southern parts of the country, becoming fine as you move over the northern parts of the Free State into Gauteng, Limpopo, and parts of Mpumalanga. So that cold front that caused most of the weather over the southern parts of the country now sitting over the northeastern parts. Small bands of showers and rain over the southern high ground of the Northern Cape, southwestern parts of the Western Cape, southern coastline of the Eastern Cape, and then again along the coastal regions of KwaZulu-Natal, stretching into the adjacent interior. We do expect early morning fog patches over the interior of KwaZulu-Natal and in places over the northern parts of the Northern Cape. Those expected to reduce visibility to less than a kilometer in places. If you are driving early this morning, please do take caution. Now, the South African Weather Service for today warning of waves along the western as well as the southern coastline. That is an orange level 5 warning, leading to difficulty in navigation at sea, and then a level 5 yellow warning, level 4 yellow warning of winds and waves, and then just waves along the coastal regions of KwaZulu-Natal. So in those regions, again, a difficulty in navigation at sea, so please do take caution. In terms of our daytime temperatures, very cold in Beaufort West and Dar, reaching 10. Sutherland, a maximum of 9 today. Cape Town 15, 14 in Riversdale. Craddock expecting a maximum of 13. It is 11 as a maximum in Makhanda and Komani over the central regions of the country. Bloemfontein peaking at 13 for IC in Johannesburg, and Vryburg seeing a maximum of 17. Tomorrow, we do have yet another cold front, but it slips south quite quickly, just bringing in some moisture along the southern coastline of the Eastern Cape into the adjacent interior. Very cold to cold conditions over the central and southern parts. That's your weather. Do stay tuned.